You think?
What?
Not too close. Haley, no, not too close. Watch out, Haley. Oh. Oh, he's trying to get out.
No, he's trying to get that.
Oh!
That is so cute.
Ah!
Let me do it. Hold this and let me do it.
Over that way for he can't bite you. Hurry up.
Yeah, over there, buddy.
He's like, no, I want the ones I dropped. Oh. He is beautiful. Oh, people are coming, we gotta get out of here.